Hello everyone, I'm Rahim Fakiri from Kabul, Afghanistan. I'm 21 years old. I'm in senior class of political science. I have 3 years of experience in APT organization. I joined lots of workshops or conferences like Model United Nations, 30 Brown Cap session, Basic of English, Factor of Insecurity in Afghanistan, Human Rights, Women Rights, Peace and Reconciliation, and etc. And also, I started studying English since 2010 up to now, and I joined lots of courses and study English, but they didn't help me with my English skills to improve my English skills. So I joined and I registered to Coursera.org for improving my English skills, and I hope it can help me to improve my English skills and develop my English. And I hope I can, after this course, I can speak fluently without any problem. Thanks. Goodbye.